Heather Broadbent here, violinist and instructor at Online Violin Education, where I train violinists all over the world how to improve their technical skill sets for more melodic playing. I am really excited to invite you personally to the 5-day fantastic fundamentals challenge that I'm hosting. In this challenge, I'm going to walk you through 5 days of fantastic fundamentals. Day 1 will be covering the violin holds and the left hand posture. Day 2 we'll be discussing the right hand. Day 3 we are going to be covering notes on the violin. Day 4 we'll be discussing strengthening exercises for your fingers, and day 5 we'll be getting into the world of rhythm. And within these challenge days, you'll be receiving playlist links for more studious information to supplement your violin education on the topic of that day of the challenge. It's something you definitely don't want to miss. If you're a newbie, beginner violinist, intermediate, and even advanced violinist would find some wonderful tips within this 5-day challenge. Fundamentals are so very important within your violin journey, and they are necessary for your progress as a violinist to sustain, maintain, and develop these fantastic fundamentals. So I will see you within the challenge. I have a link here. Just click on the eye and you'll be directed to where you enroll. If you enroll in the challenge, you'll be receiving the emails in your inbox with the video links, the playlist links, and also the PDF links, because you do get exercises along with the challenge. And if you participate in the challenge, I have a study group where everybody comes together, reports in their challenge completion, their ahas, and their breakthroughs. I'm looking forward to getting to know you as a violinist within the Fantastic Fundamentals Challenge. Until then, happy magical practices.